Today, let's introduce the Morning-Tech iFix series intercom. I will show you the 4-wire intercom. This is the 4.3 indoor monitor, and this is the outdoor station. Let me show you how to connect each other. This is door 1 and this is door 2. Connect the doorbell to the monitor using the 4-pin cable. It is convenient to use. Now plug in the power adapter to the monitor. Let's try to calling. Press the button. Now let's receive the call and lock the door. Let's hang up. Simple and secure. Thanks for watching.